2009 Kia Rio. Window switch not working, intermittent in the up but nothing at all in the down. A bit around the bush. I've taken the trim off, the door trim off, taken the two screws out of that hold the window switch in. Now the problem is a little slide thing that slides onto these two copper contacts. Gets a little bit of an air gap, and then that's stopping it from working. So what you do is just get something pointy like the Phillips head screwdriver, and just with a slight bit of force push down on these four contacts. Try it, and then if it works, well then you're right. If it doesn't, in whichever way, just push a little bit more, but just watch you don't break it. But it is pretty robust. But yeah, that's the problem, is where the slides that way, slides sideways each time you push that up or down, and it slides and makes contact with these copper contacts, and that's the problem. I'll just going to do that and show you. So if you hold it and you push on it, you can actually add a bit of force, and you can actually hear it click. Right now, it's fixed it. So 2009 Kia window switch fix, easy.